Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys having a Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation right here from year 2011-2022. If you need to find where the OBD Diagnostics Port fuses relays are located, stay with us, we'll cover that. Please do not waste any money on parts tools diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. OBD Port, Diagnostics Port, fuses, relays come to show you where you can expect to find them, guys. On that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee, you may have two different kinds of fuse boxes depending on the year and the model. We'll explain about each one of these fuse boxes. We need to open the hood, and when you face the engine on your Jeep Grand Cherokee on the left side, that's your main engine fuse box. Okay, press these tabs, leave the cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Guys, before we continue, that's 2014 to 2022 model. This is 2011 to 2013. Let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And here is what we need to check for. Let's explain for 2011 to 2013 model first. Here the fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number M30, right here. Okay, and you don't have a relay. Okay, but if you have 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, excuse me, you're going to have fuse number, this time is known as F44, guys. This fuse right here. Okay, so these two fuses will need to be checked. You don't have any relays. These fuses are known as relay fuses. If you still have problems with the OBD port, you may have a bad instrument cluster fuse causing it not to work. If you want to see where the instrument cluster fuses and relays are located, we'll have the video on the channel. Check it out. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model. They may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.